So nothing is as painful as recording a whole video and you found out that what you are saying wasn't recorded. That's why I like to film with my front camera, but that's okay. So here is my unpopular opinion about waiting to have kids in marriage. Okay, I do, like I said, unpopular opinion. Maybe this opinion is very popular. I mean, a lot of people will agree to my opinion. Yes, but I think for me, especially in this generation, we are in the Gen Z era. A lot of people are now giving advice about, oh, make sure you're prepared before you start having kids. Don't just get married and start having kids. Nah. That's social media. Reality check. We are women, okay? This advice is for all my women. We are women. Reality check. Your biological clock is ticking. I do not agree with the fact that you will have to wait in marriage before having kids. Yes, instead of you to wait, all of you that I know people come with excuses like, oh, we have to be financially ready, we have to be spiritually ready, we have to be mentally ready, psychologically ready, whatever, emotionally ready. I think that it is better that you do these things while you're courting your partner. I do not think, if you know you're not ready to do all of these things. I mean, one of the benefits of settling down and getting married is procreation. Yes, is to procreate. So if you're not ready to procreate, it is better you just stay with your partner and you both should be dating whilst you're planning. Don't accept that man's marriage proposal. Do not go ahead to propose to that girl if you know you're not ready to procreate. Because reality check, as women, as ladies, our eggs are dropping, okay? Reality check, biological clock is ticking. So studies and research has shown that the older you get, the more difficult it is for you to conceive, and the more difficult it is for you to carry children. That means it's even called high risk pregnancy. So why do you want to wait for 2 years, 3 years before conceiving or before getting pregnant? It is not advisable. Instead of you to just get married and say, I want to wait, I'm not ready, use that opportunity, use that time to wait and be planning whatever you're doing, be doing it with your partner. Plan. There's no need for you to rush. Marriage is for serious-minded people, okay? I'm not here to force you, but it's for people who are ready, okay? Unless you do not want to have children, you or your partner are on the same note. You don't care about procreation. You don't believe that one of the benefits of getting married is to procreate, is to have children. That's understandable. And for those people who will come and say things like, oh, that having your children back to back, blah 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 blah. Some people will even have one child, and then they will tell themselves that they want to wait like maybe 3 years later, 4 years later. What's the point? Yes. What's the point? It's still the same thing we're talking about. What's the effing point? Why not just have your children? If you want to space your children, maybe 1 year after or 2 years after, or if you want to have your children back to back, please, it's advisable, especially for those of you who got married early. Why do you think that a lot of ladies panic when they are like going to their 30s or in their early 30s, they're not settled? It's because of these things, okay? And that's why you see a lot of ladies now these days, once they are like in their 30s, early 30s or late 20s, a lot of them are freezing their eggs for those of them that want to bear children. So it is not advisable. Unpopular opinion, or maybe it might be popular because a lot of people will agree with me, okay? That is okay for you to bear children immediately you get married, unless you are TTCing. You see one thing that a lot of you on this table do not understand this. You are privileged, you are opportuned to be able to bear children, like you're fertile, and then you're giving excuses. Do you know a lot of couples out there who are TTCing, who are looking for children for years now, and you have yours on a platter of gold, like it comes easy. You're telling yourself and your creator that you're not ready. So why then are you married? Why then did you accept the ring? Why not just go to the person? Whatever you're planning, plan it in the relationship. Know that we are getting married. So this one is for serious-minded people. You don't be for children. What do you mean? I don't even agree with that terms. I'm sorry. I just feel like social media these days is not reality. It's not reality. Every time you come, Molepa telling you, wait, prepare before you have children. If you're not prepared, don't have children. Wait for 2 years. Make sure you're prepared financially. They force you to go marry. They force you. Nobody asks you to accept the ring. Nobody asks you to walk down the aisle. It's your decision, but reality check. What if when you're ready, it becomes difficult for you to conceive? I need you to think about these things. We're having a conversation. I need you to think about these things. So, before this is the second time I'm actually filming this video. I turned on this camera because I wanted to film with the back camera so that it would give us good quality. Then I found out that all the things I've been saying was not recorded. I wanted to cry. I just hope it's not the same. It's not this particular video I'm recording is not the case right now as the first one that I recorded. I hope I did not miss out on any point. I know that the first video would have been interesting. But anyways, if you know that you are married or marriage comes to you early or easily, please have your kids. If you're even very, very like lucky to get pregnant back to back, do not let anybody gaslight you and tell you that why are you rushing your children. Please, born them in rest. If it comes to you, do you know how many people are looking for this thing? Some of you don't know what it feels to get married and conceive immediately. Let's not even talk about it. There are a lot of ladies that got married in their late 20s, early 30s. They are currently battling with infertility issue right now. Talk more of you, please. If you're opportune, in case you are planning to do this, I said, please don't try it. Don't listen to people, okay? It is not the right thing to do. One of the benefits of marriage is procreation. And reality check, as women, our biological clock is ticking. If your partner disagrees with you, in fact, these are conversations that you people should have before even walking down the aisle. Unless the both of you are on the same path, like you're on the same path, the same note that you do not care for children, you don't want to have children while you're married, and hey, that one is understandable. But if you know that you want to have children, the earlier you have them, the better for you. Which money they chase? If you don't say you want chase money, why collect ring? If they chase the bag while you're single, because this is a lifetime commitment, and it comes with a lot of benefit. One of them is procreation. So while I was editing this video, the Lord ministered to me to tell you. Yeah, one point just like I needed to say this. People give these flimsy, stupid excuses that they want to enjoy themselves. What were you doing when you were dating? Yes, I need you to answer this question. Your dating phase is for you to have fun, is for you to get to know each other better, explore, like ask questions, know your likes, your dislikes, know if your values align, if your beliefs align, and everything. Have fun, enjoy. That is your dating phase. Which one is you want to enjoy life? We know that children can be so unbearable. Like, it's a whole lot. But see, that's why you don't need anybody to pressure you to get into these things. Yes. Before you say, these are things that you need to sit down and ask yourself. Are you ready? Don't be when you don't enter fish, they listen to people for social media like you're not ready, okay? See, I've seen a lot of people who got married, like probably they were very lucky to get married early, and for some, like, marriage comes to them early, like they have all their children. After they have all their children, immediately they start chasing their career and they're enjoying their life with their partner because the kids are grown. Yes, the kids are grown. There's a time where you're going to like sacrifice all your time as a woman, even as parent, to your children. Maybe when they are toddlers, they are babies, newborn, whatever, they are still very tender. You sacrifice all for them. But trust me, they're not going to be toddlers forever. Okay? That enjoyment will define, you go enjoy. The most important thing is marrying a partner who is willing to co-parent with you the right way. And who doesn't have that mentality that parenting is just one-sided, it's for one gender. Do you understand? So that enjoyment where you won't enjoy am now when you date. Because that's serious business you go do. And not. Enjoyment also stop. The only thing is kids are going to slow you down. You can always choose to sacrifice a certain amount of years or number of time to cater for your children, to care for them, okay? You understand? And then they will not be kids forever. By the time they get to 5, 6, 7, they are now becoming independent. They cannot do things for themselves. They cannot speak. Do you understand? They can express themselves. Then you can go and be enjoying life. Your children will not tie you down. Yes, because I know moms who have kids who are living their life, okay? The children will only slow you down if you chose to just give your time for a particular period of time. Then they will not be kids forever. By the time they become like 6, 7 years, trust me, you'll be bored. You will never know what to do with yourself. Okay, you can continue. People even chase career even while they are having children. So what's the excuse? People live their life. There's no excuse to give. I'm not forcing you. It's a decision. Just think about it. Do you understand? Think about it. So if you think that I made so much sense, you agree with me, you're on this table with me, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. And if you disagree with me, let me know your reasons, okay? I'll see you in the next video. My name remains Esther Sunday, your radio girl. Bye.